Next topic, motion of a boat in the line of river flow. Okay. Now, here consider boat velocity with respect to water. Okay. What is this one here? Boat velocity with respect to water. That means with respect to river water, flow of river water. Understood? R. Boat velocity in still water. Understood? Boat velocity in still water. Understood? Now these are the this one is the boat velocity with respect to water or boat velocity in still water. Understood? Next, boat velocity with respect to ground. Boat velocity with respect to ground. Okay. Water velocity with respect to ground. This one is water velocity with respect to ground. Understood? Okay. You are taken first of all. Boat with respect to water is right as boat velocity with respect to ground minus water velocity with respect to ground. Okay. Boat velocity with respect to ground is equal to right as it is taken here. Boat velocity with respect to water plus water velocity with respect to ground. Understood? Boat velocity with respect to ground is right as boat velocity with respect to water plus water velocity with respect to ground. Why here it is taken? So it is the river flow. This one is the river flow. Okay. This one is boat. Here boat with respect to water. This one is water with respect to ground. But observer lies on ground. So lies on ground is in a rest position. So compared to this guy, required one is boat with respect to ground. Okay, required one is boat with respect to ground. Understood? Okay. In same direction. In same direction. That means boat and water flow. Water. Both are in same direction means you are taking here V suffix bc is equal to square root of boat with respect to water square plus water with respect to ground square plus 2. Boat with respect to water into water with respect to ground into cos 0 degrees. Cos 0 1. Simply boat with respect to ground is equal to boat with respect to water plus water with respect to ground. In same direction. So you are adding boat with respect to ground. Next one. So in opposite direction, if boat moves in this direction and water moves in this direction, understood? So simply you write as boat with respect to ground is equal to boat with respect to water minus water with respect to ground. Boat with respect to water minus water with respect to ground. Understood? Okay. Some cases in this one. Now, first case. Motion of a boat with respect to water and water with respect to ground. Both are in a same direction. Both are in same direction means what about theta here? 0 degrees. Understood? Now, for example, it is traveling the distance is d. It is traveling the distance is d. Okay. Here, boat with respect to ground is equal to boat with respect to water plus water with respect to ground. Understood? Now, it is traveling distance is d. if it travels distance d. Now time is equal to d by velocity means boat with respect to ground. So d by boat with respect to water plus water with respect to ground. If in case it travels the distance d. Okay. In second case, boat travels opposite to the river flow. Okay, water with respect to ground. Now boat with respect to water in opposite direction. Okay, theta equal to 180 direction, 180 degrees. Boat with respect to ground is equal to boat with respect to water minus water with respect to ground, because of in opposite direction. Now if boat traveling distance if boat traveling distance is d, now on that case t2 is equal to d by boat velocity with respect to water minus water velocity with respect to ground. In these two cases traveling distance is same, it is d, this one is also d. Understood? Okay, now t1 by t2 is taken. T1 by T2 d by boat velocity with respect to water plus water with respect to ground d by boat with respect to water minus water with respect to ground, dd cancel. Now here T1 by T2 boat with respect to water minus water with respect to ground by boat velocity with respect to water plus water with respect to ground. It is times ratio. If in case here it traveling distance is d in downward direction, so in backward direction traveling distance is d. What about total time? Here forward d, backward is also d. What about total time? Total time is equal to t1 plus t2 d by boat with respect to water plus water with respect to ground plus d by boat with respect to water minus water with respect to ground. Understood? Now total time is this one. Understood? Total time is this one. Okay, see, in first case it takes lesser time, in second case it takes more time, because of in same direction plus, in opposite direction here minus, this value decrease means time value is increase if boat velocity with respect to water is 0. Okay, that means here boat engine is switched off, boat engine is switched off. Boat engine is switched off means boat velocity with respect to water is 0. On that case, in this case boat with respect to ground is equal to water with respect to ground, both are same. If engine is switched off means boat with respect to water is 0, that means boat with respect to ground is equal to water with respect to ground. On that case water velocity, boat velocity both are same. Understood? Okay, next, motion of a boat across a river. In this one, first case is a shortest path. So it is a river. Okay, width of the river is d. Now here first one, shortest path means this point is a, means exactly opposite point is b. Okay, now this one is water velocity with respect to ground. To reach the exactly opposite point, if in case person travels exactly perpendicular to the river flow. On that case, is drifted due to river velocity is drifted. To avoiding that one, person makes certain angle with flow of river in this way. Okay, boat velocity with respect to water. This angle is theta. This one is 90. Okay. First case. First of all, resolve this one. Along this direction, boat with respect to water, sine theta. Along this direction, boat with respect to water, cos theta. Okay. If water velocity with respect to ground is equal to boat velocity with respect to water into sine theta, both are equal. Only on that case, person exactly reach the point B. Okay, person reach exactly opposite point B. Only in this case, when water velocity with respect to ground is equal to boat velocity with respect to water into sine theta. Understood? Okay. On that case, in this case, here, this one represents the boat velocity with respect to ground. This one represents the boat velocity with respect to ground. Next, see, time. In this case, time is equal to distance by along this direction velocity is VBW cos theta R T by both with respect to ground. Both are same. Okay, both are same. If in case any doubt, see here. From this one, what about cos theta? Cos theta adjacent side is both with respect to ground. Hypotenuse is both with respect to water. So both with respect to ground is equal to both with respect to water into cos theta. Are understood? So along this direction, so time is d by both with respect to water into cos theta equal to d by both with respect to water into cos theta. It is a right angle triangle. So based on that one, both with respect to water square equal to both with respect to ground square plus water with respect to ground square. Required one is both with respect to ground. Both with respect to ground square equal to both with respect to water square minus water with respect to ground square. Understood? Both with respect to water square minus water with respect to ground square. Both with respect to ground is equal to square root of both with respect to water square minus water with respect to ground square. So time is also write as d by square root of both with respect to water square minus water with respect to ground square. Okay, water with respect to ground. Are understood? Okay. So in this case, time is equal to width of the river by along this direction velocity both with respect to water cos theta. So or both with respect to ground or square root of both with respect to water square minus water with respect to ground square. Understood? Okay. In vector notation, you write as both with respect to ground is equal to both with respect to water plus water with respect to ground in vector notation. Are understood? If in second case, if water velocity with respect to ground is greater than to the both with respect to water sine theta. Understood? Okay. So in this case, water velocity more compared to this velocity. Due to that one, here boat is not reach exactly opposite point. It is drifted. This one is drifted. Understood? Okay. Now, in this case, this one is the width of the river. Okay. Point A. This one is point B. Both with respect to water direction. This one water with respect to ground. This represents the this angle is theta means boat with respect to water cos theta, this one, boat with respect to water sin theta, but this represents the boat with respect to ground. Are understood? Okay. Here water velocity is more compared to boat velocity with respect to water. That's why it is drifted. Due to excess velocity, it is drifted. Due to excess velocity, it is drifted. Okay. Now in this case, time is equal to time width of the river by in width of the river velocity is in this direction velocity is boat with respect to water into cos theta. Boat with respect to water into cos theta. Next, here drift x is equal to excess velocity into time. What is the excess velocity? Water with respect to ground minus boat with respect to water into sin theta. Here excess velocity is equal to water with respect to ground minus boat with respect to water sin theta. Understood? That is excess velocity. So drift is equal to in this case excess velocity water with respect to ground minus boat with respect to water sin theta, time is d by boat with respect to water into cos theta. It is drift. Are understood? If in case boat velocity with respect to water sin theta is more, if boat velocity with water sin theta is greater than the water velocity with respect to ground. On that case, here boat not reach exactly point B. It is stopped before the point B. It is stopped before the point B. Are understood? Okay. Next, shortest time. So it is the river. This one is width of the river. Person exactly starts here, starts point A and its direction is exactly perpendicular to the flow of river. Boat with respect to water. This one, water with respect to ground. It represents the boat with respect to ground. It represents the boat with respect to ground. Are understood? Okay. Now it is D. Here, due to water flow, person drifted. Okay. Person drifted. It is taken as yes. In this case, time is equal to traveling distance d by boat with respect to water. Boat with respect to water. Understood? Okay. Or you write as in this case VBC square equal to okay boat with respect to water square plus water with respect to ground square. So boat with respect to water is equal to square root of boat with respect to ground square minus water with respect to ground square. Boat with respect to ground square minus water with respect to ground square. Are understood? Okay, this one. Now, what about drift? Drift is equal to water velocity with respect to ground into time. Okay, so here in this case drift in this time drift is x. Drift is equal to velocity into time means in this case velocity is water with respect to ground. So x is equal to water with respect to ground into time is what is the time here d by boat with respect to water. Boat with respect to water. Understood? It is the minimum time. This one is minimum time. At the same time, S is equal to write as in distances d square plus x square. S is equal to square root of d square plus x square. See one problem. A man can swim in still water at a speed of 6 km per hour. Still water means here you consider boat with respect to water or man velocity with respect to water. Understood? Man velocity with respect to water is given 6 kilometer per hour. No need of conversion because of both are in a kilometer per hour. To cross the river and reach the just opposite point. Just opposite point. Person start here, reach the opposite point B. Exactly. Okay. So on the other hand, if the river is flowing at a speed of 3 km per hour, here water velocity with respect to ground is equal to here 3 km per hour. He has to swim in the direction. Required one is direction. Okay. You know, to cross the exactly opposite point, man velocity with respect to ground. Okay, to reach the exactly opposite point, so this direction is required. This one, water velocity with respect to ground. Required one is total angle. From this one, sin theta is equal to water with respect to ground by man velocity with respect to ground, 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. What about total angle? Total angle is 30 plus 90. What at one? 120 degrees. Okay. Person swimming in the direction of, so 120 degrees with the river flow. Okay. 120 degrees with the river flow. Understood? With the river flow. Okay.